Imagine you have to upload product images for 1,000 products on Shopify. It's a very boring and tedious task. You'll have to open every product, click on upload, drag files, and repeat it 1,000 times. Shopify doesn't give us an option to bulk upload images for products. There are some apps that do, but either they charge a lot or they might still end up crashing for bigger uploads. So, what's the solution then? I have created a Python script which reads the product images by SKU, uploads thousands of product images at once automatically. No app, no CSV, just plain automation. Hey, my name is Mohit. I'm the founder of Windborne Solutions of Shopify Partner Agency. So we have built hundreds of Shopify stores for different brands. And one problem that I faced every time was the product image uploads. Every brand had thousands of products with their own different folders for every product, and there was no easy way to map that. So that's why I thought let's create the series No App, Just Code to share the same automations that we use for our agency so that you can run your Shopify stores faster, cheaper, and efficiently. Let's look at how most people try to solve the problem. They upload one image at a time, or they use an app that still needs you to create a zip file or a spreadsheet, or they try the CSV import, which will break if you have a missing SKU. You end up adding a wrong link, you end up missing something that would break. So Shopify just wasn't built for this bulk image operation at scale, but the APIs are, and that's where Python comes in. So here's the concept. Every product in Shopify has an SKU. Every image folder on our computer is named using that same SKUs. The script simply looks each folder, grabs the folder name, search products on our Shopify store using the SKU, upload all the images inside that folder to the product, and this is the fastest, safest, and the most scalable option that is available. So let's jump into it. What we first have to do is set up product image folders. So we'll create a master folder. Inside that we'll have multiple different folders. Each folder will represent a different product, and the folder name will be equal to the product SKU. Now for the second step, let's go to our Shopify admin. Click on settings, click on apps and sales channels, click on the develop apps button, and let's allow legacy custom app development. Click on that. It will take a while. Then we need to create a legacy custom app, and after that we'll have to name the app. Let's name it bulk image uploader, and click on create. Now let's configure the admin API scopes. Let's click on this configure API admin API scopes. After clicking on that, we have to allow three different kind of scopes. What we have to do, we have to read products, write products, read files, write files. So let's search for products first. Let's search for the products, and let's scroll down. Let's allow the write and read product listings. Let allow the write and read products. After that, let's again go to the search bar, search for files. Let's allow write files, read files, and click on save. So we have given the scopes, and after that there are three things that we have to note. First, let's note this event version. So it's 2025-10. Let's note it somewhere. Then we'll go to the overview tab, click on install app, click on install. So what it will do is it will install the app for us. And now here you will see admin API access token. So this is the most important thing. This is the API key that our Python script will use to interact with our store. So let's copy this and keep it somewhere safe so that we can use it in our Python script. After that, we need the third thing, that is the domain, and we'll be using the my Shopify domain. So let's go to domains, click on that primary domain, copy this mm, just make sure you copy this myshopify.com domain. Don't copy your primary domain if you have some .com domain listed to it. Just copy this demo store and completely copy this, keep it on the site, and done. The second step is done. Now we will move towards the third step. So for the third step, we will again go to our product images folders where we have stored all the product images. We'll create a new text file. Let's name it image underscore uploader.txt. Let's open the file, and now we'll have to paste a Python script in it. So you'll find that in the description of this video. Let's paste this, and remember I told you to keep three things handy, three things safe with you. So we have to add these. What we'll do is we'll just paste it one by one inside the apostrophe commas. Don't remove the commas, otherwise it won't work. So let's click on save as and remove the txt and write instead .py. So that will save it as a Python script. Now we have everything ready. We just have to run the script and let it do its magic. To run the script, let's open the product image folder first and go to the search bar, type cmd run as administrator. So it will open this command prompt. So what we will need is the path to our folder. Let's copy this path. Type cd space control v, paste the path, click on enter. So what it does is it gets us into the product folder. So let's now run the script that we have stored in the folder. So let's write python python space the name of our file, image underscore uploader dot py, and click on enter. So the script has started running. So you will see that it has given us a warning. So let's just wait for a bit, and here you can see there is this first step start. That means our script had started to run. The second is a warning, no variant found for SKU 47, so skipping 47. That means is, what it means is we have a folder by the name of 47, but we don't have any product listed with SKU 47. And for the third one, it's uploading these 6-7 images for the SKU PRAX002, and it's clearly uploading it, assigning it every image a position. And let's search for this in our product admin, Shopify admin. Let's search PR-AX002. So we have this product, and here we can see that it has uploaded all the images for this product, and the script is running fine. Now we just have to wait, let the script do its magic, and we just have to relax. So the script has completed. It has uploaded the 283 images that we had in our folder, and done. It's done. You know, the fun part is this same script can upload 1,000+ folders in one go. You can literally start it before lunch, and by the time you are back, your entire catalog is ready. And that's how you upload thousands of product images to Shopify automatically. No apps, no CSV headache, just clean code. If you want to start a script and follow folder setup, the link is right below in the description. Drop a comment saying upload if you found this helpful. I reply to every comment myself. Don't forget to subscribe. Next video will generate 2 lakh coupon codes automatically with Python. I am Mohit. This is Shopify Hacks by Mohit, helping you do more with Shopify without paying for more.